Welcome to the channel, everyone. Today I'm getting started on the siding on the cabin, and this is board and batten. So what I'm doing, I'm laying out my walls, getting everything pre-cut. I can stain them on the sawhorses and then put it up. Save a lot of time, be a lot easier. So let me show you how I'm doing it. Okay, the cabin is 8 foot square. So I started with an old 2x10 here as a base, and this will be the bottom edge of the siding. I cut everything square. I laid everything out so I'm 8 foot across, it's square, it's parallel, and board and batten siding is all these individual boards. They'll be put into place, and then there'll be a furring strip over each seam. I started with the wide ones on the edges. Now this board, that thing is 13 inches wide. Most of them are right around 8.5 to 9. So how I filled it in, I started from the outside edges, worked my way in, and you got to leave a little bit of a gap. I cut my window openings already, so I don't have to do too much trimming. The bottom of the window opening is in place, and the top part. The sides will have to be trimmed back a little bit because I just left them the full width. So I'll cut these. Once I start putting the siding on, I'll see how my boards will lay, and I'll just trace it from the inside and cut those out. So to get all these boards to come out exactly right to 8 foot, I started on each end, started working towards the center, and it actually come out pretty close. I took this board here, top and bottom, and I think I had to cut about 1.5 inches off the width to make it fit. Now I've got my sidewall marked. This is the west wall of the cabin. So this corner here, it's I think a 312 pitch. I've got this marked, and I've got my other end marked. So I'm gonna take and scribe that right now with a pencil, take every board, cut them on that mark, and then we're ready to stain. Okay, next thing to do is get all these furring strips on. Okay, I just got to finish touching up all the nails and a couple little cut-ins with some stain. Okay, the staining is all finished. Now the next video will be the last one on this cabin build, and I'll put the windows in, I'll get the door hung, and put the railing on the stairway. So, thanks for watching.